Top 5 Side Hustles to Make Extra Money in 2024 Introduction. In today's economy, it's more important than ever to have multiple streams of income. A side hustle can be a great way to supplement your income and achieve your financial goals. But with so many options available, it can be tough to know where to start. In this blog post, we'll explore the top 5 side hustles that you can start in 2024. These side hustles are perfect for people of all ages and skill levels. Side hustle number 1, online tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, you can start online tutoring. There are many online platforms that connect tutors with students. You can set your own hours and rates. How to get started? Choose a subject. What are you good at? What are you passionate about? Get certified. Some platforms require tutors to be certified. Create a profile. Write a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experience. Start tutoring. Once you're approved, you can start tutoring students. Tips for success. Be patient and understanding. Be prepared to answer questions. Be flexible with your schedule. Be enthusiastic about your subject. Side hustle number 2, freelancing. Freelancing is another great way to make extra money. You can offer your services as a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant. There are many online platforms that connect freelancers with clients. How to get started? Choose a niche. What are your skills and interests? Create a portfolio. Showcase your work on your website or portfolio. Start bidding on projects. Find projects that match your skills and interests. Deliver high-quality work. This will help you get more clients and positive reviews. Tips for success. Be organized and punctual. Be responsive to clients. Be willing to learn new skills. Be professional at all times. Side hustle number 3, selling your stuff online. If you have any unwanted items lying around your house, you can sell them online. There are many online marketplaces where you can sell your stuff. How to get started? Clean and photograph your items. Make sure your items look their best. Choose a platform. There are many platforms to choose from, such as eBay, Amazon, and Craigslist. Set a fair price. Do some research to see what similar items are selling for. Ship your items. Make sure you package your items securely. Tips for success. Be honest about the condition of your items. Be responsive to buyers' questions. Be patient. It may take some time to sell your items. Side hustle number 4, taking online surveys. Taking online surveys is a great way to make a little extra money in your spare time. There are many websites that pay you to take surveys. How to get started? Sign up for a survey website. There are many websites to choose from, such as Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Complete your profile. This will help you get matched with relevant surveys. Start taking surveys. The more surveys you take, the more money you can make. Tips for success. Be honest in your answers. Be patient. Surveys can take some time to complete. Don't expect to get rich quick. Side hustle number 5, becoming a social media influencer. If you have a large following on social media, you can become a social media influencer. You can get paid to promote products and services. How to get started? Build a following. This takes time and effort. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages. Partner with brands. Reach out to brands that you're interested in working with. Tips for success. Be authentic and genuine. Be professional and reliable. Be creative and engaging. Conclusion. There are many great side hustles that you can start in 2024. By choosing a side hustle that you're passionate about, you're more likely to be successful. I hope this blog post has helped you learn more about the top 5 side hustles for 2024. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.